Okay, good day to everyone sa mga nagre-review for the upcoming Master Plumber Board exam. Excuse me. Our lecture for today is about the plumbing bulbs. So, it's about what is written in the lecture in the plumbing bulb. Notes natin sa plumbing bulbs. So, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to this channel. BRICE Academy at Consultant. Please click the subscribe and the notification bell and click all button para updated po kayo sa mga videos natin. Hindi lang sa topic na ito. Please also support me in my Facebook. Follow me in my Facebook account, TikTok, and Instagram account. Help me reach 1,000 followers in the TikTok or Facebook account. Before we proceed, please subscribe sa MCGI channel and Green Friend Forever. Okay, plumbing bulbs. Plumbing bulbs. Function of bulbs is to control the water systems by number 1, starting and stopping flow, 2, regulating or throttling flow, 3, preventing the reversal of flow, and 4, regulating or relieving the flow pressure. This is the type of bulbs. Gate bulb or full-way bulb used mainly to completely close or completely open the water line. Does not control flow of water. Two types of gate bulb. Disc bulb. Two types of gate disc bulbs. Letter A, solid wedge, a single tapered thin at the bottom and thicker at the top. Spurs into similarly shaped seat. Or split wedge. Two discs are employed back to back with spreading device between them. As the bulb wheel is turned, the gate drops into seat. It sit as with any other gate bulb. But on the final turns of the wheel, the spreader forces the disc outward against the seat, affecting tighter closure. 2 point ng solid wedge, solid wedge, and the double disc split wedge. Bulb, ito naman yung type ng gate bulb, no? A full-way gate bulb. Uy, ayun na pala yun. Pinalaki ko, hindi ko lang nakita. Okay, solid wedge. Hindi ko na lang no? Globe bulb controls the flow of water with a movable spindle. It can reduce the water pressure or throttling. The globe bulb, which is named for the shape of its body, is much more resistant to flow than the gate bulb. Its main advantages over the gate bulb are its use as a throttling bulb to regulate flow and its ease of repair. Types of globe bulb. Letter A, conventional disc bulb, relatively flat with beveled edge. On closure, it is pushed down into a beveled circular seat. Letter B, the plug type disc bulb differ only in that they are far more tapered, thereby increasing the contact surface between disc and seat. The characteristic has the effect of increasing their resistance to the cutting effects of the dirt, scale, and other foreign matter. Letter C, composition disc bulb differs from others in that it does not fit into the seat opening but over it, much as bottle cap fits over the bottle opening. This seats adapts the valve to many services, including the use with hard-to-hold substances, such as compressed air, and makes it easy to refill. Wala tayong figure ng globe bulb. Siguro yan. Search na lang natin. No? Sorry, wala tayong akong nakitang figure ng globe bulb. Okay? Ito Tignan tayo, check valve. Its main function is to prevent reversal of flow or backflow in the line. Letter A, swing check valve permits straight through flow when open and is therefore less resistant to flow than the leaf check. There have been instances when a swing check stayed open a few seconds after the reversal of flow began, allowing the velocity of backflow to rise to such a point that when closure finally did occur, it was instantaneous and resulting shock to the valve and the system caused serious damage. Good insurance against such a possibility is a lever and weight or spring to ensure immediate closure upon reversal of flow. Letter B, leaf check valve, primarily for use with gases or compressed air or in fluid systems where pressure drop is not critical. Letter C, horizontal check valve, and D, vertical check valve. This is the type, yan. Ito po yung swing check valve. Ito naman yung lift check valve. Ito yung horizontal check valve and the vertical check valve. Next is the bolt valve, spherical shape gate valve, providing very tight shut-off. Reliability, ease of maintenance, and durability have made the ball valve popular in industrial, chemical, and gas transmission applications. Angle valve, very much akin to the globe valve, is used to make a 90-degree turn in a line. It's less resistant to flow than the globe valve. Its flows must change direction twice instead of 3 times. It's also available with conventional plug type or composition disc. The next type of valve, the butterfly valve. Valve with a rotating disc. The butterfly that fits with the valve body. The valve must commonly used in place of gate valve in cases where absolute bubble-free shut-off is required. Yan. Yan. Yung itsura ng angle valve and the butterfly valve. Next is back-to-water valve, type of check valve installed to prevent the backflow of sewage from flooding the basement or lower floors of a building. Types of backwater valve is the swing backwater valve and the ball-type backwater valve. Next one, pressure reducing valve or pressure regulating valve. An automatic device used for converting high fluctuating inlet water pressure to a lower constant pressure. Uy. Next one is the relief valve. No? Hindi na natin natanggal yung isa. A safety device that automatically provides protection against excessive temperature, excessive pressures, or both. This is installed in water heating equipment to protect from danger of overheating and explosion. Next is the stop and waste valve, type of compression stop valve with a side port into the valve body. This is used to control the flow of water to fixtures such as silcocks that are objects to greasing. Next is silcocks and boiler drains are two types of angle compression stop valve. Silk is installed on the outside of a building so that a garden hose may be attached. Boiler drain is a valve that is installed on a tank, such as a water heater, for draining and or flushing. Boiler drains and silcocks are nearly identical, except that a silcock has a mounting flange and the boiler has screw threads for direct mounting onto tank. Other one, the put valve, located at the lower end of the pump, is used mainly to prevent loss of priming of the pumps. Okay. Safety valve is used on water system systems, heating systems, compressed air lines, and other pipelines with excessive pressure. Float bulb, a bulb used to control the water level in a tank or other container. It's operated by a float enclosing or opening, which is dependent on the rise and fall of the float ball. Flash bulb, flashometer bulb used for flashing a picture by using water directly from water supplies pipes or in connection with special flash tank. Pero yan sa iba, may ibang meaning yan. Flashometer, kita nyo yan sa mga question na sa mga previous mayroon. Flashometer bulb, may flashometer tank, may flash tank, may flash bulb. May definition sa mga Q&A natin dito sa part 2. The mixing bulb, a bulb which mixes liquid by either automatic or manual regulation. Hydrant bulb, a bulb in a hydrant used for drawing water directly from the main, primarily used in connection with the protection or suppression system. Okay, next, faucet, bulb on water pipe by means of which water can be drawn from or held within the pipe. The bulb is placed at the end of the pipe. Type of faucets, compression cock, operates by the compression of a soft packing upon a metal sheet. Letter B, key cock, operates with a round tape ring plug ground to fit a metal sheet. Yun pala yun. Pagka yan, pinipihit, yan, compression cock yung tinatawag. No? Pagka sinakas, parang swing pa yan, yung key cock yung tinatawag. Okay, ball faucet, constructed with a ball connected to the handle. And hose bib, a water faucet made for a threaded attachment of a hose. Yan, pang garden ito, kaya hose bib yung tawag. Use of plumbing bulbs. Number 1, a cooperation cock is installed at the connection of a water service to the water main. Number 2, a curved cap is located near the curb line of the building property to provide a means of controlling the water service to the building. Number 3, a full-wave bulb is installed before the water meter. Number 4, if necessary, a pressure-reducing bulb would be installed between the water heater. Number 5, a full-wave bulb is installed on the cold water supply to all hot water heating equipment. 6, a relief bulb is installed on all hot water heating equipment. 6, a seal cock should be provided with a control bulb located inside the building. Number 8, all water closets must have an individual control bulb. Number 9, nakikita ako. In apartment building, each family dwelling unit must be equipped with shut-off bulbs, controlling hot and cold water supply to that or the plumbing fixtures and appliances in that unit. Location of full open bulbs. Number 1, on the building water service pipe from the public water supply near the curb. Number 2, on the water distribution system supply pipe at the entrance into the service to the structure. Number 3, on the discharge side of every water riser pipe, which are 2 or more in height. Number 4, on top of every downfeed pipe. Number 5, on the entrance to every water supply pipe to a dwelling unit, except for supplying a single fixture equipped with individual stops. Number 6, on the water supply pipe to a gravity or pressurized water tank. 7, on the water supply pipe to every water heater. Location of shut-off bulbs. On the fixture supply to each plumbing fixtures in all occupancies. Number 2, on the water supply pipe to each seal cock. or 3 on the water supply pipe to each appliance or mechanical equipment. Code provision on the use of plumbing bulbs. Section 605, the bulbs. Okay, yan. Uy, dyan na pala natatapos ang ating topic. Ang next topic natin is common plumbing symbols and pipe color code. So, yan. Yan, sa mga gusto mag-avail ng ating reviewer plumbing arithmetic, 300 only. No? Meron pa po ang ibang reviewer. Ilalagay ko na lang sa comment section. Alam ko, nandito na sa comment yun. Ay, sa description natin. No? Kung paano nyo i-avail. Pero ito, scan copy kasi ito soft copy na to ng reviewer na PDF files. May lecture, may Q&A, part 1, 18 sets, part 2, 4 sets, part 3, 6 sets, and part 4, 8 sets Q&A, aside from the lectures. For comments, inquiries, suggestions, and corrections, please comment in this video. Pwede rin po sa email na naka-flash yung screen sa numbers. Yan. Pwede rin po kayo. Your donations are very much appreciated, any amount po dyan sa GCASH, Paymaya, and COINSPH. Yan. And please help me, no? Support me, follow me in Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and this YouTube channel. Much better po sa YouTube, yan, dito. Follow nyo rin po ako sa Facebook. Yung mga ina-upload ko din naman, kaya lang, I need to reach 1,000 followers in my Facebook account. Thank you very much and see you in the next session. Common plumbing symbols and pipe color code. Good luck. Hopefully, mga nag-review sa mga mag-take ng board exam at nearest board exam po yan kung kailan po kayo mag-take. I hope makapasa po kayo at makatulong yung mga pag-review ang ginagawa natin sa channel na ito. Thank you very much and have a great day.